next one is Constraint Manager. So click on here the constraint option, or you can go to setup here, and then in the setups you go to constraint modes or constraints. Go to constraints. So once in the constraints, you go to physical options and all layer, we can add the minimum width. Line width minimum is 5 mm is given. We'll give around 10 mils or 0.254. It's more than enough here. Differential pairs and wires are not required. Just go to analyze it, analyze modes. So it is a physical mode, so we'll make it all on and then apply and then click OK. So close it. So width is automatically set to 10 mm. So we'll change it to 45. Now you can see the width is 10 mils. So if you change it again, so go to setup here, constraints, in the constraints and the physical all set layer. So if I make it 0.508, if I make it 0.508 and the curve can close it, so it would be more than that. So that is 0.50, this is 0.254. So we'll work on with 0.508, that is around 20 mils of routing. So what about the spacing? So we have to add the spacing. So go to setups here, go to constraints here, and then click on the spacing option, spacing net all layer. So line 2, if we double click, it's a line 2 all this section. So the line 2 I'm going to give you around 0.508 only. So to all set to line 2 to 0.508, and this is through pin 2. I'll make it 0.508. So anything to through pin 2 or SMD 2 is 0.508. The test pins and wires are not available in this project, so we'll neglect it. So go to analyze here, spacing modes. In the spacing mode, select all and click apply and then click OK to close it. So you can see the spacing is through hole to through hole is 0.50. That's why you can see pad to pad error. So otherwise another spacing is about, this is the space same net, so we cannot use the same net spacing, so I will use another. So it before 0.508 it will keep on move towards the outside. This is a 508 mm of spacing between the two route.